Which plain is formed by the depositional work of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra?
Northern Plains.
The older alluvium plain of the northern plains, which forms the largest part and lies above the flood plains, is called
Ghangar.
the newer and younger alluvium deposits of the flood plains that are renewed almost every year are known as
Khadar.
a narrow belt of pebbles lying parallel to the Shivalik slopes where rivers disappear underground is called
Bhabar.
the wet, swampy and marshy region formed south of the Bhabar belt where rivers re-emerge is called
Tere.
Ecologically and geologically, the peninsular plateau of India is a part of which ancient landmass?
Gondwan Land.
Which is the highest peak of the peninsular plateau located in the Anaimlai hills of Kerala?
Anamudi.
Which is the highest peak of the Nilgiri hills?
Doda Betta.
Which is the highest peak of the Aravalli range located near Mount Abu?
Guru Shikhar.
The western Ghats and eastern Ghats meet each other at which hills?
Nilgiri Hills.
The northern part of the western coastal plain stretching from Daman to Goa is called
Konkan Coast.
the southern stretch of the eastern coastal plain between Krishna and Kaveri deltas is known as
Coromandel Coast.
which is the largest brackish water lagoon lake in India located in Odisha.
Chilika Lake.
Which long river is famously known as the Dakshin Ganga or Vridha Ganga due to its age and size?
Godavari.
Where do the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi rivers meet to officially form the Ganga River?
Devaprayag.
Which is the largest tributary of the Ganga River that runs parallel to it for a long distance?
Yamuna.
Which river is notoriously known as the Sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent devastating floods?
Kosi.
The Brahmaputra River originates near Mansarovar Lake and enters India under what name in Arunachal Pradesh?
Dihang.
Which is the world's largest riverine island formed by the Brahmaputra River in Assam?
Majuli.
Which two peninsular rivers flow westward through rift valleys
Narmada
and
and
empty into the
Tapi.
Arabian Sea? The famous Jag Falls formed by the Sharavati River is located in which Indian state?
Karnataka.
On which river is the majestic Shivansmudra waterfalls located?
Kaveri.
Which river is the main source of water for the famous Sambhar Salt Lake in Rajasthan?
Luni.
Which is the longest peninsular river of India that empties into the Bay of Bengal?
Godavari.
The famous Dhuandhar Falls formed by the Narmada River is located in which state?
Madhya Pradesh.